Welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner, and this is part 2 of ice cream making. So last week, we quote unquote burned dinner. We did not have a successful recipe, but I was determined to fix it and show you how easy it is to make this ice cream. So stay tuned and you'll see exactly how I fixed my mistake. A quick flashback to last week so you all know what I'm talking about. This is wild. Like, what is going on in this kitchen last week? Don't burn dinner at its finest, right? So everything was liquidy, kind of stuck to the side of the ice cream bowl. And I think that my big mistake was I should have mixed it all first in a bowl and then poured it in. A very quick check to make sure that everything was in working order, I found very helpful for round 2 as well. So as you see, the pieces fit in together, very simple. So here I am mixing it in the bowl first, then pouring it into the ice cold ice cream maker.
We did it. Leopold, I did it. We did it. Yeah, we're gonna still have ice cream after all, honey. All right, we'll see you guys in 30 minutes. And then we're putting you directly inside of the freezer, and then it's got to freeze for a couple, like 3 hours. So should be good. I'll build your confidence by how incompetent I am. Yeah, it kind of didn't. It's going to set up in the freezer in a few hours. And once that happens, it's going to be amazing. But for right now, we are doing the best that we can with the resources that we have. And if I didn't mess this up, this would be perfect and nice and soft serve consistency, but it's a liquid right now because I had to wash the bowl out and therefore I lost a lot of the cold. So we don't have the texture, but I'm gonna put this in the freezer and hope for the best. So we'll see what happens. Ooh.
And 3 hours later, we had ice cream. Yay! See, sometimes you just have to keep the faith, trust the process, and you can end up with good old-fashioned ice cream. Thanks for watching, and make sure you join us for next week because who knows what kind of madness we're about to get up to. Ta-ta!